Alright, video vlog check everybody, Azrael here. We're here sa Savoy Hotel. We're here for the vloggers table. So they're featuring a warm noodle soup, si Miss Tessa of Savoy Hotel. Thank you for the invitation. And yun nga, they're featuring food offered hanggang October, sakto-sakto rainy season. Warm noodle soup at sizzling clay pot favorite. Oh my God, clay pot, panalo. So ito yung mga, palagpupang tayo ng Binondo, clay pot, tsaka yung mga noodle soup. Naku, parang everything, it's all here sa Savoy Hotel. So feature natin, no, ano yung offer nila, and we're going to taste it isa-isa. Alright, let's do this.
Hi, my name is Kit Carpio. I'm the executive chef of Savoy Hotel Manila. I've been here for 4 years already. And we welcome you for our rainy day promotions, which we are featuring this month up to October. Rainy day promotions. So ngayon we have arranged this pre-cooked dish. Here, let's start with the warm bowls for the rainy days. So it's our promotion. No? Last year, we already had this, but due to the success of the promotion, we've decided to repeat it. But with the new ones addition na may konting reimagine. So let's start first with the chicken mami. The chicken mami is a very special dish because we smoke the chicken with dried sampaguita flowers. And we all know one of the MHR's branding is the sampaguita the sampaguita Filipino hospitality. So may meaning yun yung 5 petals. So since it's a national flower and we order this like mga fresh, tapos nadadry lang sila, we decided to use it to smoke the fish. Ngayon nga nakita ko merong viral na chicken tinapa of Bulacan. So it's similar to that. So parang ganun lang. So very basic lang siya. Meron siyang chicken broth plus the chicken meat and some other vegetables. Yun. And then on the other side is the vegetable ramyun. Ang profile niya is Korean na semi-light na Korean na nag-adjust sa Filipino palate na hindi mo masyadong spicy. So vegetarian siya. Wala siyang animal derivatives. So there. And the next dish is, of course, lapas bachoy. Oh, favorite na lahat. So yan, may liver, may chicharon, which we made it in-house. And then also, our last dish for the soup is the Japanese sukiyaki. So it's a very typical, we made it affordable. Kasi di ba normally, yung mga sukiyaki sa Japanese places, sobrang mahal. But this one, kahit mag-isa ka lang, kainin mo 3 beses sa isang araw, you can afford. So, yan siya. And then, moving to the rainy day clay pot, na rice naman ito. So, here we have the classic beef with ampalaya. Very oriental lang peg niya. Beef lang siya, slices with ampalaya in oyster sauce. We serve this piping hot yung kanyang bowl. So, we tell our guests na ito talagang...
Para similar to sukiyaki.
Yes, but the rest are just, yung bowl lang. Tapos yun, masarap siya pag umuulan, mainit. Or hindi lang umuulan, pwede pa rin naman. Tsaka it creates this tutong under. Kasi nga, siya eh. And then next is the sampaguita pork adobo, our best seller. Parang twice cooked adobo. Meron siyang pork adobo floss. Crispy with egg. And then our house adobo, of course.
Paano nyo inad yung sampaguita?
Siya, ginawa namin parang tea, kasama na sa stock. Siya eh, meron siyang nuances lang ng floral.
Oo.
Parang jasmine tea.
Oo.
Ganun lang. Hindi naman siya talaga.
Parang sa tea, di ba? Na may aromatic.
May ganun.
Si vlogger pala to,
Tapos next naman is the chicken. So, chicken with mushroom. Parang yung Chinese na chicken and sausage mushroom clay pot.
Parang soy chicken.
Soy-based, but we omitted the pork kasi we are also Muslim friendly. So para hindi agad but you can request if you like it with pork as well. And then moving on to the dish, the next is the fish fillet with orange sauce. It's like a sweet and sour pero nire-imagine namin. So we made it a little more fruity by adding oranges. And then the last one is the vegetarian version. Ito yung eggplant and tofu stir fry. So we've decided to add egg para magkaroon kasi may vegetarian naman kumakain ng egg eh. So, para mas hefty siya. But you can also omit the egg if you like. You just request it to our guests, to our waiters. So, there. Basically, that's it. You can enjoy the soup, sir. Here, we have several stations, 4 stations.
Nag-start na ba siya? Or
Yes.
offered na?
Oo, hanggang October yan.
Hanggang October?
Yes, sir. Oo. So you can try each flavors. Oo. You can try as much as you like.
At least parang hindi tayo mabubusog.
Yeah. And at the same time, we're gonna serve you the actual serving din, which you can also, eat. But I suggest you try this one para you can have
Ay,
a little bit of everything.
Wow.
Yeah.
This for the sampling test.
Yes.
Pero pag a la carte na siya, malaking bowl. Gusto ko bumalik dito para matry.
Oh.
Sige naman, pag
Shermin, no? Happy birthday,
Ganda!
Shermin!
Happy birthday to us! Magka-birthday.
Nagiya ka,
same.
nag-besh ka, ano naman, meron may pa-dinner pa to. Sabi ko, alright, thank you. Ito ko lang dito. Alright, chicken mami. Sorry, sige, kuha rin ako isang lapas factor. Thank you.
Sulit siya.
This is the chicken mami. Tama ba? Chicken mami with smoked sampagita.
Parang masarap ng tofu eggplant here.
Favorite ko yun.
Sarap ng sabaw, grabe. Talagang home cook talaga yung dating ng kanilang sampagita smoked chicken mami. Sabaw pa lang parang nakaka-energize ka. Lalo na pagka may sakit ka, chicken mami talaga. Chicken soup talaga palagi. Okay yung kanilang noodles. Good. Sarap yung chicken mami nila. Masarap siya, grabe.
Pag-ilan mo na yan, Tessa? Pangalawa pa lang. Pangalawa pa lang.
Joke lang po.
Ako pangalawa, mga papangatlo na ako.
Ayoko nang mabusog.
Sarap.
Would you like to see the
Ubos.
sauce?
Let's try their pork lapas bak choy. So mag-iba na yung flavor natin, no? Lapas bak choy. Oy, okay, hindi siya maalat. Expecting kasi sa lapas bak choy, hindi siya medyo maalat-alat eh. Pero the chicharon is flavorful. And the hint of the lapas bak choy is present here.
Sarap yan, Sir Ted.
Ito maganda sa food tasting. Lahat matitikman mo. Laki ng liver meat nila. God. Thank you. Tsaka beef sukiyaki. It's my beef sukiyaki. Let's go.
Hindi na siya masyadong pag-event eh.
Oh, hindi na rin masyado eh. Napagod eh. Alright, next taste test natin. It's the vegetable ramen. Japanese naman tayo ngayon, no? Try natin to. So ito na yung kanilang vegetable ramen. This is a food tasting. This is not the real sizing niya. Pero kung makita niyo yung real sizing, nasa harapan ko. Here's the real sizing. Medyo malaki-laki yung kanyang serving for the vegetables ramen. Ayan. Ayan ang size niya. Here's the vegetable ramen. Tikman natin yung sabaw.
Dala ko yung tripod niya. Para masulit.
Oh my God, very rich flavor. This is vegetable. I think their soup is pork broth. Tanong natin kay Chef yan.
Muna tayo, picture daw tayo, po tayo.
Is the beef sukiyaki. So, alam nyo, this is my favorite. No? So, tikman natin to.
Tinatanggal namin para tanggal.
Nakasweldo ba yan?
Alawan.
Oo daw. So sumama ka for 3 years, pagbalik namin.
Check natin kanilang beef sukiyaki.
So ginawa ko.
Amoy natin. Nakakalasing na amoy. Grabe, very rich. Medyo sweet yung kanilang flavor ng kanilang beef sukiyaki. And gamit nila is pagka glass noodles style, which is also good. Tikman natin. Sarap, grabe.
Sa Grand Hyatt before. Before pandemic.
Dito sa Makati,
Manalo.
sa BGC, oh.
Pero ano, exciting this thing.
Ay, kanin lang pala yan.
Excited ka, no?
F na F pa naman ako mag-video eh, no?
For the G ka pa.
Bibirol ko pa yung kanin eh. Right, we are done sa kanilang warm noodle soup and we're going to try their sizzling clay pot favorite. So may mga samples sila dito. I see on the table tofu and eggplant stir fry and I think this is the, ano kaya ito? Tofu and eggplant. Ito naman is, ito, magkaparehas lang sila.
This is the actual dish. And then if you like more toppings, this is...
Ito yung actual dish ng tofu and eggplant stir fry and meron kaming parang top up dito. Top up natin yan.
Ayan. Oh.
Wow! Thank you! Thank you! Topping siya. So this is the tofu and eggplant stir fry. Ito yung gusto kong style ng eggplant nila. Ayan. Sarap. May kabit, no? May konting chili. Pero it's good.
Good, no? May pagka sweet and spicy siya, no?
Ito yung original serving niya. Kunin natin ito. Eggplant. Parang wala may eggplant eh kung boiled ba or niluto nila.
28, dalawaning anak ko. At tigib lang ng tigib, Sir German.
This is the ano to? Sir, fish fillet. Fish fillet with orange.
Apat lang, sabi mo.
Wow!
Parang September.
Kung sa iba, orange chicken. Ito naman, orange fish fillet. Ayan.
Ikaw din pa problema yun, yours is still looking.
Fish fillet, orange sauce.
Pero pa isa. Ito, this one we can also partake this one.
Okay.
The actual.
Ako naman nahihirapan ng mom ko. So,
The chicken.
Soy glazed chicken.
With mushroom.
And here's the original serving niya. Oh, wow.
ayan.
Ay, thank you. Uy, grabe. Oh. Ayan, sige, sir.
Ayan, oh, ayan. Sir sauce.
Mix natin.
Ayan. Tikman natin. Masarap na sauce.
Ito talaga pag clay pot rice. Ganyan.
May mga
Bango. May tunog-tunog pa.
Ay, gusto ko yun.
Oo nga, yun na yun.
Nagtutulungan.
Jia, what's your favorite?
Kalasang adobo siya, sir.
Let's taste the soy glazed chicken with mushroom.
Ano mas na miss?
Oh my God.
Adobo, di ba? Sabagay, soy is made of toyo,
Yes,
di ba?
Sarap.
Bibimbap. Nahayaan ko muna siyang mag-settle para make ito.
Kapag tapos kain na pala, habang natatapos ko siya,
So this is the sampaguita pork adobo with adobo flakes. So I'll try it. Amoyin natin yung sampaguita aroma niya.
Dahil matitira akin.
Wala magagaya.
God, thank you, GM.
Thank you.
Love it.
Sa Edo, sold out. Sold out. Meron pa naman dito tayo. Kuha tayo dyan. Sampaguita. Sampaguita pork adobo with adobo. Amoyin natin yung sampaguita.
Ako hiningal sa kanya.
Very Filipino. Sarap.
Ano ba specialization ni husband niya?
Beef with ampalaya.
Sarap.
Aso mga airport. Makain ka ba?
Ganyan sa clay pot. Beef with ampalaya.
Ay, bibigay ka pa sa kanya.
Tikman natin to. First, ampalaya.
Sobrang tasty. Grabe.
Lahat dapat. Meron kang corporate client, meron kang media, may influencer, syempre. Lahat-lahat siya.
Alright guys, that's the end of our food trip here sa Savoy Cafe in Savoy Hotel Manila, featuring their rainy food meals, yung kanilang hot bowl noodle soup at kanilang mga clay pot rice, at talagang they're offering this hanggang October 2026. Tama-tama, it's rainy day. If you're craving for a nice meal at naka-checking kayo dito sa Savoy Hotel, or kahit napapadpad kayo sa Newport area, no, you can go here and order their a la carte hot noodles, soup, and also clay pot. So yun, end now my video here. Thank you so much guys for watching. Actually, kasi Savoy Hotel, ngayon lang ulit ako naka-attend. I miss yung mga events nyo for this year. No? So talagang, I'm very happy at nakabalik ako dito. So abangan nyo more content, food content, and hotel staycation content. Abangan niyo. We're going back here sa Savoy Hotel Manila. So I'll end on my video here. Thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys at the next video vlog, adventure. Or kita-kits at sa ating next food trip. Bye-bye!